Hesitation is probably the very frustrating thing when it comes to English speaking, because you understand and you know how to write it, how to get that in your mind, and even you understand when somebody is talking to you, somebody is speaking in front of you. But when it comes that you have to speak, your brain completely freezes. Or sometimes it responds to you that don't speak, maybe you're going to be wrong. Okay, so whatever these things are, that we are going to understand that why this hesitation is there and how you can remove this hesitation to become a good English speaker. Okay, so number one, it is fear of making mistakes. We hesitate in English because we think that whenever we are going to speak, we are going to speak wrong. We are going to make a lot of mistakes. But tell me one thing, if you will not make mistake, then how you will understand that what you did wrong and why you did wrong? Okay, whenever you will make mistake, every time you will learn, every time you will improve. Don't think about that anybody is going to laugh at me, anybody is going to judge me, making fun of me. Don't think about that. Think that you are going to understand and you are going to learn something. Okay, so second time when you are going to speak, just speak. Don't think about the negative thoughts in your mind. Okay, second point, overthinking every sentence. Whenever even you have to say a single sentence, you are going to check it 1,000 times. Even if you have to say I am going to eat the food, so again and again you will think, is the sentence is correct, is the grammar is correct, I is correct, going is correct, ing should be there, verb, grammar. You are going to check one single sentence a lot of time, because you know why this happened, because you are overthinking that, yeah, maybe I did this thing wrong, that thing wrong, like that. Okay, you are overthinking that. So don't overthink. It is going to be right. When you will speak, then you will learn, always I say. So instead of overthinking, start speaking, then only you will get that. Number 3, lack of practice. That I already told you, consistency is very much important for English speaking. If you will not practice daily, if you are skipping it, it is not possible that you can learn it. Okay, you have to speak, you have to understand the things, learn the vocabulary, do anything related to English speaking. You need to surround yourself. Okay, then only you can be in that environment and you can learn the English speaking. Okay, so don't delay your practices because of anything. If there is any problem that is stucking you with English speaking, you can also comment and we can work on that. Now it comes the fourth one, fear of judgment. Fear of judgment is also very much important. As I just now told you, that we don't speak because we think that, oh, what that person is going to say to me, that person is going to say to me, something like that. Okay, we think a lot of times that they are going to judge me, they are seeing that like that, they are going to laugh, they are going to do this, that. Okay, so let people judge, because I think that is their job. But understand, people don't judge you as much you judge yourself. Okay, it is the true thing. It is just our mind that every time say us that this person is seeing you, that person is seeing you. No, it is not like that. They never judge. Okay, every person want themselves to become perfect. Okay, and we want everybody. If you want yourself to become perfect, just think every person want themselves to become perfect. So why they are going to judge you? Okay, nobody is judging you as you judge yourself. So remove this thing in your mind, completely remove it. Okay, last one and the fifth one, comparing yourself to others. Okay, now for example, if you are learning English, okay, you have just started and now you are comparing from somebody who is a very good speaker of English, then does it make any sense? No. Okay, stop comparing. Everybody have their own uniqueness, not only in the English speaking, in your field, in your career, anything. If you are comparing, stop comparing yourself, because you are having your own abilities, they are having their own abilities. Maybe that you are doing today, they cannot do it. Okay, or if you had started late, you are doing slow, you know now, slow and steady wins the race. So keep that in your mind. Don't think that this person is, wow, she's wearing this, she's doing that, in anything. Okay, whatever you are having, everybody have their own unique personality, unique voice, unique features, everything. Okay, so be unique, don't compare with anyone. Okay, now I just want to say you all that keep these 5 things in your mind, and still if anything, any point you think that making you hesitate to talk people. It sometimes also happen with some people that when they are alone they can talk, but when they are in a lot of people they get hesitate. So I'll try to discuss this point also in the another video, that when you are alone you can talk, but when you are in front of a lot of people you cannot talk. Till that, try to focus on these, and don't blame anything for English speaking. Keep practicing, keep consistent. Thank you. Bye bye.